If you want to show edits made in a document, turn on Track Changes. Select Review, Track Changes, and Word captures any edits you make. To turn off Track Changes, select Track Changes. Word stops making new edits, and any made stay in the document. You can always see markups that someone makes. Select Display for Review and select the option you want. Simple Markup points out where changes are with a red line in the margin. All Markup shows all edits with different colors of text and lines. No Markup hides markup to show what the incorporated changes will look like. And Original shows the document in its original form. And in the Show Markup list, you can select the type of revisions you'd like to see, such as comments, insertions and deletions, formatting, balloons, and specific people.